Okay, welcome. Yesterday was quite lovely on gold. Price played out beautifully. I was looking for sales on the break of the counter current or counter trend bias in anticipation to first of all tap here. Then this was my overall target. Okay, if we go, there was one other position here as usual. Whenever we get our 1 hour, we close 85, 80% depending on how the price plays out. At this moment, we close 80%, then left runner to keep deep into this zone. So our final target was what? Accomplished. We remember here, you check the forecast for this week. Just keep watching from Monday. You'll see when I gave a forecast that clean safe sales would be taken below the structure. I took some position from here when I started gauging the sellers versus the buyers momentum. Okay, this is my anticipated overall TP and price played out beautifully. It gave us some sweet Kobe. So this is on gold. Let's see what we got with GJ today. Okay, gold played beautifully. GJ, I've not really taken any trades on GJ lately. The last trade I took was the one you've seen here. So far, I've just been on the sideline, on the bench, observing what JJ will do. Okay. So at the moment, I'm looking at if JJ will give me some retracement, which is doing at the moment, giving some retracement and spitting some further deep. Okay. For further deep, we'll take normally our 1 hour, then leave runner to see what it's gonna do. For buys, sweet buys will occur here as safe buys above this zone, or if we get a bullish breach of this seller zone or supply zone, we'll be anticipating some counter trend buys. Okay, this is counter trend buys, this is sweet buys. So let's see the one that comes first. By the way, we'll be looking at this is scenario 1, this is scenario 2A, this is scenario 2B. Okay, it has given us a retracement. Anything break of this low or this low will indicate what? Further bearish momentum. So this is what I'm looking at on British pound Japanese yen. It's quite easy. Okay, it's quite easy. All you got to do is just take your time, look at what you have, then try to get in at a very good position. Okay, if you let's say we drop to the 30 minutes time frame, let's see if we get some precision price action. This is what I'll be looking at. Um, okay, to be on the safe side, sales could occur below here, but if you wait for this low to be violated or broken, then there is no need trying to be in a hurry. You could just wait for the structure to be violated at once, which is this low, or you could set your sell stop here and your stop loss will be above the structure here in order for price to dip. If you don't get it, then put it on the comment section or ask me a question. I would respond as quickly as possible. Okay, let's go to the next one. For gold, gold is quite simple. We're in a buyer's territory now, so let's see how it plays out. If price comes below this zone, we'll be anticipating what? Further dip. It's as simple as that. If price comes below this zone, so let's see what it does. At the moment, price is holding at an area known as the demand order block. On the break of this level, we'll be anticipating further bullish momentum. Okay, if price breaks closes below, we are anticipating what? Bearish momentum. So this is scenario one in the direction of the trend. This is scenario two, opposite the trend, which is also referred to as a counter current or counter trade or counter trend. Okay, so this is what I got on gold. The last but not the least is Bitcoin. Okay, for Bitcoin played out well. We learn every day, right? Bitcoin played out beautifully in the sense that I was anticipating it to keep rallying, but if it keeps rallying, then any at any point it may react. Now that it has done the retracement, all we got to wait for is for price to show us that the buyers are back. Then we can take price going up. It's as simple as that. So for Bitcoin, dropping to lower time frames for us to get a clear understanding of the structure. As you can see, price has shown us with this bullish candle that buyers are back. So we'll drop down again to a lower time frame to see what price will show us. Okay. Even if you take your buys here, you put your stop loss here, you'll be anticipating price to rally. What that means is that price should not break this low. Okay, if you're watching this and price has already gone above here, another area could be on the break of this high. Okay, you take your entry here and betting that price shouldn't break this low. Okay, but so far so good. Don't forget today is Friday. I'm not saying that prime market doesn't behave fine on Friday. I'm only saying that you should only take things when price has given us very obvious structure. So at the moment, this taking the buys here with stop loss here is using the fact that we're anticipating price to push, but it has not actually given us the bullish momentum. And the bullish or safe buys will occur above this zone. Okay, so this is scenario one, which I would advise you to take. A. This is scenario 1B, which is aggressive, but in both cases, your stop loss has to be here, which is below the structure. So this is all I got for you today. There's an important information that I believe some of you saw during here. This is it. Don't forget to hit the subscription button, subscribe, hit that notification button so you see when I upload something new, comment and like. If you don't understand this, the structure of my explanation, feel free to let me know. I would break it down simpler. I want you to get the best. Okay, that is all for now. Bye for now. Cheers. Peace.